The second nakshatra runs from 13 degree 20 minutes to 26 degree and 40 minutes, which is called Bharani. Bharani means feeling, taking the weight of the earth. The symbol of this sign is yoni, the female sexual part of the body. Also, it is like an earthen pot taking the weight. The deity, the wife of Lord Shiva, Parvati, is symbolically denoted by it. Musca, Borealis and Eritis are the three stars just above the ram on the southern side. If you see the stars and the constellation, you will find this Bharani constellation there depicting like the sexual part of the woman. Forbearance, work and discipline. Good giver, nice human beings, always love for the creation of the world. The deity of this nakshatra is Yama, the god of death. Control, yoga means plus in life, and meditation. This is also called the star of restraint. Fierce, struggle, rises in the later part of life. Beautiful. Because of the combination of Mars and Venus, it emanates natural energy inside. Sometimes that energy flows out of your sexual organs. If it goes up through your spinal cord, up till your Brahmarandra, which is called the reverse lotus on your head, then the person rises to the affinity. The nature is like human beings. The people are very humane, and motivation of their life is money, earth. The sounds emanated from their vibrations are li, lu, le, lo. It is with the la or the l. Because of the combination of Mars and Venus together, the persons broadly born in this constellation deals with flesh. They are non-vegetarians. Justice, sometimes cruel, doing the cruel jobs, but for the creation of the world, they are number one. War, courts, judges, justice, lawyers can be the major professions. Born in the first charan or the part of this nakshatra, the persons are like the head of the elephant. Small, intoxicating eyes. Above part of the body is attractive, sexual, is attractive, sexy. Less hairs. The persons born in the second part of this nakshatra are like deer. Very quick. Eyes, speaking eyes, looking here and there always. The small and thin lower part of the body. Upper part of the body is very heavy. Too talkative. Backbiting is one of their quality. Cowards. The persons born in the third part of this nakshatra are hyperactive. Woman or a man loves to do sex many times a day. Attractive towards the opposite sex. Fast runners. Quick walkers and a big body. Cruel by heart. Born in the fourth part of this nakshatra are like monkey. Monkey doing sex 100 times a day. Lot of hairs on the body. Love speaking lie. Boast themselves amongst their friends and relatives, but very good friends. Prone to lower abdomen disease, urinary tract.